here is the most spectacular trick for your fitness toolbox. You're gonna need an oval slider, big one like this, a chair or counter, something that you can use for balance. Now, this trick is to open up your hips. Specifically, we're looking at a diminishment of a range of motion in your leg swing. If you're not able to lift your leg up, hurts in the groin area, inner thigh, we're having an issue with lifting, anything that feels like you're locked up in the groin area. It's very tight. This is going to fix you up. All right, now, these are important rules. You cannot do this square on. We're going to do a pivot to the right and a pivot to the left, and then we're going to be moving the leg that's leading in as large as a range of motion, externally rotating and internally rotating. We have 3 sets. The first set is 10 reps. Second set is 7. The third is 5, with a little bit of time in between, 5 to 15 minutes in between each set. Do not force any of the movements. Of course, that's always. We want to keep that posture alignment, super important. When we get into our rotation, the hips never move. We are only moving the leg, hence the slider. All right, now, we're going to get into position. The reason we want the chairs is because we don't want to have to worry about balancing, and we want to make sure that we don't have no movement in the body, only that leg. To get into position, we're going to get up. First, we're going to stand on the slider. So if your right leg is having issues, that's the leg you're starting with. If the left leg is having issues, that's the leg you start with. But you must accomplish the same amount of reps each time. All right. For the first set of 10 reps on the affected leg, right when you feel the stretch on the rep 1, we're going to hold for a 2 count and then internally rotate wherever you feel it, hold for a 2 count. On the second repetition, third and fourth, we're going to do 1 click into the stretch, and all 10 reps are a 2 count. Are you ready? Here we go. We're going to come up on point and we're going to pivot. Now, wherever we land, that's where we land. Nothing moves. Get into your duck butt, monkey toe, the back leg. Make sure that your leading leg is all the way on the slider. We're going to apply even pressure on both legs. Now, we're going to externally rotate the foot until you feel that stretch. Right when you feel it, 1, 2. Nothing moves but the leg. The legs, both legs stay locked. 1, 2. Move 1 click, surpassing the stretch. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1 click, surpassing the stretch, but not a force. 1, 2. 1, 2. All right, now, one more time on the third rep. 1 click into that stretch. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now the legs should be opening up. Now we have a 2. Don't surpass it now. 2 for 4. 2. 2 for 5. Nothing moves. 2. 2 for 6. 2. 2 for 7. 2. 2 for 8. 2. 2 for 9. 2. 2 for 10. Then you'll repeat for the other leg, but with no pause. The non-affected leg is no pause. So we get up on point, pivot, same setup. 2, 3, no pause, but we need to keep our form, no pause, for 10. Now, in 5 to 15 minutes, we're going to go back and we're going to repeat that for 7 repetitions with starting off on 1 click into the stretch, and it should be an improvement. No pause for 7 rotations on the opposite leg. Then we'll go back, our last set, no warm-up. We're going to go into it with a 2 count and hold at the stretch for the effective leg, 5 reps, and no hold, 5 reps for the opposite leg. This needs to be done every single day. You should notice an improvement after the first session. All right, good luck with this, and I'll see you all soon.